I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming support for multiple lock screen wallpapers in settings. This saves wasted effort. Once confirmed, collect 5 to 10 images sized to your screen ratio, because mismatched sizes crop unpredictably. Move them to a dedicated folder on your device or cloud so the system can access them quickly. Now open Wallpaper settings and choose the option to add multiple images. Do this before adjusting transitions, because order and format matter for smooth results. Next, add the images using Add or Edit within Wallpaper settings. Select from the folder you prepared. Once added, arrange their order and decide whether to enable shuffle so images rotate randomly versus fixed sequence. The choice affects predictability. Crop and set focal points per image to avoid awkward framing, and tweak brightness or blur so icons remain readable. Make sure to preview on the actual lock screen view. This reveals composition issues that the editor preview can miss. To finish, save your configuration and lock the device to test how wallpapers rotate, swipe if gesture-based, or wait for timeout-based rotation. If rotation or shuffling fails, make sure the Wallpaper or Photos app has storage permissions and background activity allowed. These often block automated changes. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the Wallpaper app, then reboot the device to reset services. Doing this usually resolves stubborn issues and restores expected lock screen rotation behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.